Secure and safe. Secure is the #1 priority when designing this camera's strap. Features an underarm stabilizing strap to keep the crossbody style camera's strap from moving on your body. 2 lockers on the sling strap to lock the camera from swaying. Solid metal quick release with anti-slipping rubber padding to securely fasten your camera onto the strap. Extra safety tether to protect your expensive DSLR cameras from accidentally fall off. Durable and comfortable, made of neoprene pad that is softer, breathable, and non-slip. It helps release the pressure of your shoulder or neck and free your hands. Comes with a zipper pocket for storing lens cap, memory cards, and extra batteries etc. Adaptable and adjustable to 3.6 into 33.9 in adjustable quick release strap with neoprene shoulder pad for a comfortable fit and taking photos on the go. Ideal for both men and women. Universal compatibility. This heavy-duty camera shoulder strap supports a full-size SLR and zoom. Compatible with any DSLR camera with standard 1/4 tripod stud screw. Includes Canon EOS Rebel T6 IT5 IT3 IT3 T2 IT1 IXT XT IXS ISL1 and Nikon D7100 D7000 D5200 D5100 D5000 D3300 D3200 D3100 D3000 D90 D80. 100% complete satisfaction. Please don't hesitate to contact us via Amazon message system if at any time you aren't completely happy with your purchase. We'll provide you a satisfactory